हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम है सानवी। तो मैं न्यू चैनल में तो मैं आपको स्टडी रिलेटेड वीडियोस बनाऊंगी। तो आज का सब्जेक्ट है केमिस्ट्री और चैप्टर का नाम है एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट्स। अगर आपको मेरा चैनल पसंद आए तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और मेरा वीडियोस अच्छा लगा तो ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा और अच्छा कमेंट कीजिएगा मेरे वीडियोस पर। और आपको जो भी चैप्टर चाहिए तो आप उसको कमेंट में लिख सकते हैं कि मुझे ये चैप्टर ये इसका वीडियो बनाना है, इसका जो भी चैप्टर, तो वो मैं ट्राई करूँगी बनाने का। पर अभी जो एक साथ रूटीन है कि ये चैप्टर कराना है, ये चैप्टर, तो अभी फर्स्ट चैप्टर है केमिस्ट्री का एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट्स। तो अगर आपको और कोई चैप्टर में डाउट है तो आप कमेंट में लिख सकते हैं। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो सबसे पहले elements combine in a fixed ratio to form compounds. So elements होते हैं, elements जैसे मैं Na ले लूँ, ओके, और एक ले लूँ OH, तो ये दोनों एलिमेंट हैं। अगर मैं ये दोनों को कंबाइन कर दूँ तो हमारा बन जाएगा NaOH एंड ये एक कंपाउंड है। प्लीज़ डोंट सी माई हैंड राइटिंग, इट्स वेरी बैड हियर। मैं लिख नहीं पा रही हूँ अच्छे से, तो आई एम श्योर थोड़ा बहुत तो समझ आ ही रहा होगा आपको ये। तो ये कंपाउंड है, आप मेरा सुनते जाइए, आपको और समझ आ जाएगा। तो ये कंपाउंड है, ओके। एलिमेंट्स, जब एलिमेंट्स, ये एलिमेंट है और ये एक एलिमेंट है, ओके, ये दोनों एलिमेंट है। तो ये जब दोनों प्लस होते हैं, मतलब जब कंबाइन करते हैं, तो ये बन जाते हैं कंपाउंड। ओके, नाउ then compounds can be classified into three distinct classes: acids, bases and salts. एसिड्स, बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट्स कंपाउंड्स का क्लासिफिकेशन होता है। अब एसिड्स को हम लोग आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे? एसिड्स कैन बी आइडेंटिफाइड बाय द सार टेस्ट। एसिड्स को हम लोग आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं उनके सार टेस्ट से। Bases can be identified by their soapy touch and bitter taste. And salt is the combination of acids and bases. Okay. Now, here the line is written: acids can be identified by the sour taste. That is, we can smell, we can eat, means we can taste it. And bases by soapy touch, we can touch it and taste it. But not all acids are alike. Some some acids and bases are very harmful for our body, so we can't taste or touch it. Okay. Now, acids and bases can be differentiated by what? Indicators. Indicators. Okay. So what is an indicator? Indicator is a chemical which indicates by means of a sharp change in color. By using an indicator, the acids can, means it indicates there will be a sharp change in color, so that we can indicate that yes, it's an acid, yes, it's a base. Okay. uh, like litmus, when acids come in contact, it turns blue litmus to red. So, and in the bases the opposite happens, that red litmus turns into blue. Like that only, that is an indicator. Okay, litmus acts as an indicator. Okay. Now next we are going to study, there were two scientists, Lavoisier and Davy, uh, who studied the terms acids and bases and salts. So their findings say that all acids will have compulsorily have hydrogen. So all acids will have hydrogen as a constituent element, like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and acetic acid, oxalic acid, formic acid, many more. All of them will contain H, hydrogen. Bases will be either metallic oxide or hydroxide or ammonia, like copper oxide, sodium hydroxide, and ammonium hydroxide. Salt, as I already told you, that is the combination of acid and base. So their hydrogen ions will be replaced by a metallic ion. Okay, and the or yeah or non-metallic ammonium ions. Like here it is written. Okay, it's like sodium chloride. Like let me how will form sodium chloride? NaOH plus HCl. It is a base. It is an acid. It will combine to form salt and water. So NaCl plus H2O, it is salt and it is water. And this process is called neutralization reaction. Okay, we have studied in class 9 or 8 that neutralization reaction means bases and acids react to form salt and water. Okay, next. Next, now we will start the main main topic, acids. That one was just an introduction. These were the introduction. Okay, acid comes from the word Latin term acidus. Okay, uh, the food that you eat, sour taste of the food is due to the acids only. Okay, so what are acids? Acids are compounds which contain one or more Hydrogen atoms, hydrogen atoms like H2SO4. So there are two hydrogen atoms. H3PO4, there are three hydrogen atoms. HCl, there are one hydrogen atoms. There is one hydrogen atom. Okay, one or more. And when they are dissolved in water, when they are dissolved in water, they produce hydronium ion. Okay, they produce hydronium ion. Okay, HCl plus H2O, HCl plus H2O gives H plus Cl minus. So an acid molecule furnishes hydrogen ion. Okay, so in aqueous solution H plus and plus Cl minus is produced. So but H plus ion cannot exist independently. So it again combines with the water molecule to form hydronium ion, and this ion can now exist independently. Hydrogen is common in all acids, as I've told you earlier. Here compulsory will have hydrogen. So hydrogen is common in all acids. Other examples are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid. So they all dissolve in water and produce hydronium ions. Okay, next. Next is hydrated hydrogen ion. The hydrated hydrogen ion that exists in the solution of acid is called a hydronium ion. You can see the reaction. Okay, it exists in the solutions of acids. When acids are dissolved in water in aqueous solution, H3O plus is produced. For the simplicity, we use H plus ion. Okay, it is H plus is possible. It is simpler to use. So main point is acidic properties of the acid are basically the properties of hydronium ions. Okay, so it is very important. HCO plus can also H3O plus can also be written as OH3 plus, since the positive charge is due to the presence of extra hydrogen. Okay, and that which is neutral. Okay, now